people. He comes here. He does not come here. He is coming here. He is not coming here. He has come here. He has not come here. He has been coming here for 2 years. He has not been coming here for 2 years. He came here. He did not come here. He was coming here. He was not coming here. He had come here. He had not come here. He had been coming here for 2 years. He had not been coming here for 2 years. He will come here. He will not come here. He will be coming here. He will not be coming here. He will have come here. He will not have come here. He will have been coming here for 2 years. He will not have been coming here for 2 years. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English. No, I do not speak English.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket. No, I do not play cricket.
Do you come here?
Yes, I come here. No, I do not come here.
Do you go there?
Yes, I go there. No, I do not go there.
I am a student. I reside in Harapur, Uttarakhand. Regarding my academic background, I am studying 6th standard at Plahadare Academy, Harapur, Uttarakhand. As far as my family is concerned, there are 8 members in my family. My ambition is to become a doctor. In my free time, I like to play badminton. I am a confident, positive, hardworking individual. Present simple tense. सना कार चलाती है. सना drives a car. Present continuous tense. सना कार चला रही है. सना is driving a car. Present perfect tense. सना कार चला चुकी है. सना has driven a car. Present perfect continuous tense. सना 2 साल से कार चला रही है. सना has been driving a car for 2 years.
Police. Hello. About. Ago. Amount. Disease. Announce. Compare. Select. Consult. Gesture. Welcome. Wednesday. Table. Window. Forest. Winner. Milkman. Pencil. Rocket. Chicken. They play cricket.
They do not play cricket.
They are playing cricket.
They are not playing cricket.
They have played cricket.
They have not played cricket.
They have been playing cricket for 7 years.
They have not been playing cricket for 7 years.
They played cricket.
They did not play cricket.
They were playing cricket.
They were not playing cricket.
They had played cricket.
They had not played cricket.
They had been playing cricket for 7 years.
They had not been playing cricket for 7 years.
They will play cricket.
They will not play cricket.
They will be playing cricket.
They will not be playing cricket.
They will have played cricket.
They will not have played cricket.
They will have been playing cricket for 7 years.
They will not have been playing cricket for 7 years.